Good morning, dear students. Okay, very good morning to all. Okay, all of you fine. So now welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantur. Okay, this is second standard class. Second standard class, subject English. Okay, subject English. See here students, in previous class means yesterday we will start one of the interesting lesson number 5. Are you a spider? Are you a spider? And some of the difficult words also we will learn yesterday class. Okay, now in this class we will start the lesson. Lesson number 5. Are you a spider? Lesson number 5. Are you a spider? Are you a question mark? Okay, all of you open your textbook, page number 54. Page number 54. Now all of you open your textbook, lesson number 5. Are you a spider? It is a question mark. Are you a spider? Okay, see here students, first we will learn starter kit. See here. 5th lesson, are you a spider? Page number 54. Okay. Starter kit. Okay, see the starter kit first. Name an animal, insect, worm or bird that has. Okay. First one, 2 legs. First one, 2 legs. Second one, 4 legs. 4 legs. Okay. Third one, 6 legs. Fourth one, 8 legs. 8 legs. Okay. Next, 5th one, no legs. See that pictures and find the which animal or bird and worms having a 2 legs, 4 legs, 6 legs, 8 legs and no legs. See here first one, 2 legs. See this picture. Duck. Duck is having a 2 legs. Duck is having a 2 legs. Duck. Okay, next one, 4 legs. Who having a 4 legs? See here, goat. See this picture? Goat having a 4 legs. Okay, goat. Okay, next one, 6 legs. See that pictures? Which have a 6 legs. See here, ant. Ant is have a 6 legs. Okay, next one, 8 legs. Which have a 8 legs? Which insect have a 8 legs? See here, see this picture? It is a spider. Spider have a 8 legs. Okay, next one, no legs. No legs. First one, snake. Okay, snake having no legs. Okay, write in your book these all answers. 2 legs, duck. 4 legs, goat. 6 legs and 8 legs, spider. No legs. Snake, worm is also no legs. Okay. See the duck, goat, ant and spider and snake. Okay. See here students, some of the students see the duck, goat, ant, spiders, snake. Some of the students didn't see. Okay. Now in this class we will search. We and some of the friends in this lesson search a spider. Search the spider. Are you a spider. Okay, see here. Now we will start the lesson. Okay, now we will come to now get set. Seema, Sonu and Sonia. See here, Seema, Sonu and Sonia. Those are all friends. Okay, Seema, Sonu and Sonia. Okay, those are all friends. Seema, Sonu and Sonia were friends. Okay, they lived in the same street. They always looked for worms and bugs in the parks and gardens. One day they decided to search for a spider. They stood in the porch of Seema's house. What is the meaning of porch? Means veranda. Okay, porch means veranda. Okay, Seema, Sonu and Sonia were friends. Those are all friends. Okay. Next one, they lived in the same street. Both Seema, Sonu and Sonia both are all live in a same street. Next, they always looked for worms and bugs. Okay, worms and bugs, insects. Okay, worms and bugs is also insect. Okay, next one, they always looked for worms and bugs in parks and gardens. Both are all always looked for worms. Seema, Sonu and Sonia looked for worms and bugs in parks and gardens. One day they decided to search for a spider. Both are all one day decided. Sonia and Sonu decided. Both are all decided to search for a spider. Next, they stood in the porch of Seema's house. Both are all stood when they stood in the porch. That time, both are all decide. Now we will search for a spider. Okay. Let's go and find a spider, said Seema. You can look for it in our garden. See here, students. Next, Seema. Okay, first one, Seema. Seema said to Sonu and Sonia, let's go and find a spider. Let's go and found a spider. Okay, we can look for it in our garden. That Seema told to Sonu and Sonia, we can look. We are all look for it in our garden. So now you will go and find that spider. Next, so they all went to the garden. It was at the back of Seema's house. It was a lovely little garden. See here, students. So they all went to the garden. Sonu, Sonia and Seema both are all went to the garden. Okay, they are all went to garden. It was at the back of Seema's house. That garden back of Seema's house. Okay, Seema has a garden. Next, it was a lovely little garden. That garden, lovely little garden. But we don't know what a spider looks like. See here, but we don't know now what a spider looks like, said Sonu. We don't know how big it is. We don't know what color it is. What color it is. How shall we know when we find one? See here first. Both are all Sonu, Sonia and Seema. Both are all going to garden. That garden is back of Seema's house. Seema has one of the lovely little garden. But we don't know what a spider looks like when they are all ready to search. Where is a spider? Okay, that time both are all together talking, but we don't know what a spider looks like. Both are all together say, but we don't know We don't know what a spider looks like. So next said Sonu. Said Sonu. Sonu said to Seema and Sonia, but we don't know now what a spider looks like. We don't know how big it is. We don't know what color it is. How shall we know when we find one? Sonu, Seema and Sonia both are all together talked. Okay. The big, that spider, how big, and that spider, what color it is, and that spider, how shall know when we find one. Okay, next one. The three friends search all over the garden. The three friends search all over the garden. Seema found something on a bush. What is the meaning of bush? Bush. Bush means pode. Bush means pode. Okay. The three friends search all over the garden. Who that three friends? Seema, Sonu and Sonia. Both are all search all over the garden. What they search? A spider. Okay. Seema found something on a bush. See here, first one Seema. Seema found something on a bush. Bush means pode. Okay, next. Are you a spider? She asked. When she find something on a bush, that time she questioned to dad. Are you a spider? Next. No, I am a grasshopper. That is a grasshopper. So, no, I am a grasshopper. I am an insect. I am one of the insect. Answered a big green grasshopper. That time answered a big green grasshopper to Seema. Okay. I have 6 legs. That grasshopper having a 6 legs. Okay. Next one. A spider has 8 legs. But spider has 8 legs. So I am not a spider. I am a grasshopper. Because grasshopper have a 6 legs. But spider has a 8 legs. See here students. This is a spider. Okay. This is a spider. She is a Seema. It is a pode. Okay. See here next. Sonu found something under a dry leaf. Sonu found something. First one Seema. Seema found something on a bush. Now Sonu found something under a dry leaf. Dry leaf means ಒಣಗಿದ dry, ಒಣಗಿದ leaf ಎಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಣಗಿದಂತ ಎಲೆ ಒಳಗ ಆಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳ, ಕೆಳಗ ಒಂದು ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾಳ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್? ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಟ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್? Sonu asked to that insect. Are you a spider? No, I am an ant. See, that insect replied to Sonu. Okay, replied to Sonu. I am an ant. I am not a spider. I am not a spider. I am an ant. I am an insect. I am also one of the insect. Answered the tiny red ant. Answered the tiny red ant. Tiny means small size. Okay, red ant. Ant means iruve. My body has 3 parts. That ant body has 3 parts. A spider has 2 parts, but a spider has 2 parts. So I am not a spider. I am a tiny red ant because my body has a 3 parts, but spider has a 2 parts. Okay. Next, Sonia found something on a rose plant. Are you a spider? She asked to that. See here, Sonia found something on a rose plant. Next, first one is Seema, next one is Sonu, then Sonia. Sonia found something on a rose plant. Rose plant. Plant means gida. Okay. Next, are you a spider? She is also questioned to that. Are you a spider? Then no, I am butterfly. That is a one of a insect. Okay, that butterfly replied to Sonia. I am a butterfly. I am not a spider. I am an insect. I am is also one of the insect. Answered the pretty orange butterfly. That butterfly is very pretty. And that color orange butterfly. I have wings. That butterfly having a wings. A spider doesn't have wings. Spider doesn't have wings, so I am not a spider, I am a butterfly. Next, the three children came back into the porch. Both are all three children, Somu, Sonia and Seema. Both are all three children came back into the porch. Porch means veranda. Then did you find a spider? Both are all both together talking. Did you find a spider? Sonia asked the other two. Sonia asked to Seema and Sonu. Okay. Did you find a spider? Next, I didn't find a spider. That Seema replied to Sonia, I didn't find a spider, but now I know a spider has 8 legs. Here first, Seema find spider has 8 legs. Spider has 8 legs. Next one, I too didn't find a spider. Sonu replied to Sonia, I too didn't find a spider, but now I know it has 2 bodies. Sonu, next. Sonu, no, that spider has 2 body parts. 2 body parts. Okay. Next one, Sonia. Then I too didn't find a spider. Sonia also replied, I didn't find a spider. Said Sonia, but now I know a spider doesn't have wings. A spider doesn't have wings. Have wings. Okay. See here students, first we will learn. We will see. Seema find 8 legs. Spider having 8 legs and Sonu find 2 body parts. Spider having 2 body parts and then spider doesn't have wings. Spider doesn't have wings and having 2 body parts and 8 legs. Okay, next. Just then Seema saw something near the roof. Next, both are all talking together. That time Seema saw something near the roof. Roof means chavani, slab. Okay. Look up there, she said. Look up there. And she saw something near the roof. That time she told to 2 other, look up there. Look up there. Next, Sonu and Sonia looked up. Sonu and Sonia looked up in a corner of the roof. In a corner of the roof, there was a big web. There was a big web. See here student, this is a big web. Okay. This is a big web. Next, in a corner of the roof, there was a big web. They saw a shiny black body hanging there. See here, they saw, both are all, Sonia, Seema and Sonu saw a shiny black body hanging there, that roof. Okay, it had 8 legs. See here, it had 8 legs. Okay, next one, it had 2 body parts. It has 2 body parts. Next, it had no wings. Yes, it had no wings. So now we will find that is a spider. Okay, it is a spider. Both are all happy and same. It is a spider because it is a that having a 8 legs and 2 body parts and doesn't have a wing. So we will find that is a spider. So Seema, Seema and Sonu is also fine. It's a spider. Shouted Seema with a smile. Seema so happy and with a smile she shouted, it is a spider. A new we would find a spider. A new we would find a spider. Now we are all find a spider. Finally, both are all find a spider. Spider have a 8 legs and 2 body parts but doesn't have a wings. Okay, finally Seema and Sonu and Sonia are also find a spider. Okay, that spider made a big web. Okay, big web and look like a shiny black body hanging there. See here, students. This is a spider. Okay, this is a spider and this is a big web. Okay. Now this lesson was completed. Okay. Next we will go to question answers. Next class we will go to question answers in this lesson. Okay, exercise the question answers in this lesson. I hope all of you understood this lesson. This lesson was very interesting and easy. Okay, are you a spider? Both are all Somu, Sonia, Sima, Sonu and Sonia are both are all search spider. Okay, finally the end of the chapter, both are all find a spider. That spider have 8 legs and 2 body parts but doesn't have a wings. Okay. Okay, next class we will exercise the question answers of this lesson. Okay, thank you one and all. Next we will meet next class.